It's your favorite new prince.
Every day is pet day.
Catch all the latest insights and all the hottest stories. Let's make a change. You're watching Tékiah Topikz. What's good, all my internet fans? It's your Prince Tékiah Malik, and I'm bringing in Earth Day with you guys. How did I do that? Well, I went to Disney's Animal Kingdom with one of my best friends. And I wanted to do that pretty much because I wanted to give tribute to all of God's creation. I love animals and I love the environment, and I wanted to support anybody who wants to do the same thing that I do. I wanted to talk to you guys about a few things that are really passionate to me, which is pretty much conservation and ecology. We need clean air, we need clean water. I do not support pollution, I do not support murdering innocent wildlife, and it really pisses me off. So what am I supposed to do? First Amendment, freedom of speech. I'm going to use my voice. I'm going to use my voice, and I'm going to talk about all the issues that I care about. And I really hope that when midterms come up, that we're voting in people who are eco-friendly, that are green, that are animal lovers. Once again, I do not support pollution and all the different pollutants that are being sprayed into the air. I'm going to be speaking out against it. I'm going to speak out against it to the day I die. With that being said, let's get to my Disney's Animal Kingdom safari. What's up, everybody on YouTube? It's Earth Day. I'm celebrating with fruit, because fruit are plants, which are part of the planet. Oh. And we're celebrating YOLO today and Earth Day. All of God's creation has created liquor. Okay, here we go. Cheers, clink. Hallelujah.
Oh, I see it. What's under there? No, behind him, underneath the tree. Yeah, but
Look at them all.
Just a minute, Charlie. That's the giant tree.
So how did they make Disney?
So in the 1960s, Walt Disney purchased, I think it was 60,000 acres in Kissimmee outside of Orlando of nothing but swampland. And he opened up the Magic Kingdom. So when they were building the Magic Kingdom, they actually at ground level created the first level of the park, which is the underground Disney, which connects all of the rides and different attractions to each other for the employees to be able to reach each ride without having to go through traffic, crowds. So then when the level that you walk on at Magic Kingdom is actually on the second level of it. They actually created a roof on top of the first level, and then they went behind them and created a second level, which is the mainland level that you know at Magic Kingdom today.
Oh. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. They did a great job. Did a really good job. It's gorgeous.
But 20 hours out of every day of the year, those jaws are moving. They're pretty amazing animals. The other tribe to actually domesticate those animals. These guys right here, different breed right here, these are Patterson elands. They're the largest antelopes in Africa. There's 2 cows, 2 calves, and a bull out there. There's 1 cow, there's 2 calves. Okay, up there, can't they?
Stop. Got it. I got it.
Yeah, they get way up in there a long, long way. There's some more of those Ankole cows. Now, they do avoid a lot of their attacks when they're running. Giraffes are pretty cool. They really are. They're pretty cool.
Look at him.
Okay, here we go. Let's get out of here. Okay, we get through this opening, we look for a couple different. Well, during that time, they'll have different sized calves. They'll have some nursing, they'll have some that do not nurse. They hold their pregnancies 22 months. Long time. Now,
oh, beautiful. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my part 1 Disney's Animal Kingdom video. Stay tuned for part 2. Hasta luego.